Welcome back, my Cool Show family. I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers out there. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you have not subscribed yet to this video, you are watching this video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all the delicious meals we make here on Cool Joe. Just like today's meals, you saw a slow cooker pulled pork. All you're doing is putting this in the crockpot. Look how easy this is. Watch. I put a couple spices in here, like so. Very easy so far, right? Little more spices. Very easy still, right? Look how easy this is. All you're doing is putting stuff pre-measured in there, mixing it. You stirring. Look at this. Easy. As you see, I'm just going to continue to stir this a little bit here. You don't have to stir this for this long. I just like to get all the ingredients mixed in together for more of that flavor. And here is your pulled pork. I buy this in the store, already done. You see the one I have here. Simple, easy. Watch. Now we pour a little bit of chicken broth in here. Again, simple. And now you're going to put that mixture you made. You're just going to rub it right on top. If some spills in, that's fine. It will give it a little bit more flavor. Look, you're just going to put it in here like so. Very easy. Cover it. If you would like, you could use a glove for this. I'm just using my hand. But again, feel free to use a glove if you would like to use a glove. And you're just going to flip it over. And you're going to do the same thing. Just rub it all in there. You want to make sure you cover, almost all of it. Actually, cover all of it because you want to get all that flavor. So you see, I'm just going to, very simple, pour it right on. Like I said, you can use a glove so your hand doesn't get as messy as I have. So as I do this a little bit here, I'm just going to say now, if you haven't subscribed earlier in this video, now is a great time to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on these videos like I said before. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button if you like this. And now, boom, look. We're just going to turn it on. Boom, like so. And we are going to set this for 8 hours. And hey, that's it. Wait 8 hours and boom, here it is, your pulled pork. Nice easy meal. And all you do is pair this with some veggies. You can even do steamable veggies, which you put in the microwave if you want it really easy. And hey, that's today's video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, like button, and I'll see you next time. Coach Joe. Enjoy and schmarchenegger.